I don't know if you know, there's this video of the deranged penguin with Werner Herzog documentary where Werner Herzog is like overdubbing, explaining the thinking of the penguin, but the penguin leaves the tribe and he just goes out into the mountains. I have to show you this video. This is my favorite video of all time. There's this low-key documentary where they're talking about penguins, and then there's one penguin that leaves leaves the tribe and just goes towards the mountains, and as Werner Herzog says, towards certain death. It always reminds me of this kind of Viking spirit or the monk spirit. There's something, one human or a small group of humans just decide to go.
Just go.
And not look back.
Are there sea monsters out there? Maybe. Is there any land? Are we going to fall off the edge of the earth? Maybe.
And just as Werner Herzog says, you know, there's certain death. Now, he doesn't romanticize it. He says the penguin is just deranged and crazy. But look, the penguin did look back briefly.
Right.
And he did think about this. So there's two ways. There's multiple ways, but you just highlighted two ways to explore. One is because you're this hardcore dude that just is looking to raid and just goes and goes, and just you have the resilience and the will to keep going. And then there's the monks that just want to leave.
Escape.
Versus go toward there. They want to leave far away so they could be closer to God. They could be closer to themselves.
And away from sin. Yeah. You know, there's this poem by Tennyson, Ulysses, my favorite poem. I think it captures the Viking spirit. The last line of it is to strive, to seek, to find, and not to yield. I think that's very much like the Viking. You know, my purpose holds to sail beyond the vast of all the western stars until I die. We may die, but I'm going to do this. I'm not going to yield.
That spirit is one of my favorite aspects of human beings.
I think that's why the Vikings remain so popular today. You know, we name our satellites, our football teams, you know, our cruise ships. There's this romantic hook of a people who did not yield.
Yeah, they embody the flame that burns in all of us that we admire most about human beings. Is that like unyielding focus on going out there, of taking the leap into the unknown, into the scary, and never stopping.
That's right. It's not too late to seek a newer world.